Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to make and count chain stitch ch in crochet. Firstly, we need a slip knot. Insert the hook into the loop. Hold your hook in front of the working yarn. The tip of your hook is facing you. Then make a yarn over, which means bringing your hook below and behind the working yarn. Pull the yarn through the loop already on the hook and form a new loop. This is the first chain stitch. Let's make second chain stitch. Yarn over. Pull the yarn through the loop. This is the second chain stitch. Counting stitches is very important for beginners, because we often forget where we hooked while crocheting. Counting stitches helps us to remember the current step in case we make a mistake in crocheting. We don't count the slip knot at the beginning as one stitch. The loop is not a stitch, either. One stitch shows in a V shape.